What is up, guys? Freno1 here and welcome to another pack opening. So today we will be working on the second team up booster box. So we're going to be doing half a pack today and another half in another video. I also got some spare code cards here which I will be dealing out as soon as we start opening the packs. So we're going to get straight into this. And yeah, just straight into it, guys. We're not going to mess around. We're going to get straight into it. I'm going to open this up. There we go, getting the plastic off. So if this is the first time you guys have seen one of my videos, I upload pretty much Monday to Friday. Pokemon pack openings, gameplay. My main thing is manga, live reaction, and reviews. Those are my main things that happen on Monday, and then Tuesday to Friday is Rally Rank stuff. So here we go. If you haven't seen it, there's the Celebi Venusaur, the Snorlax Eevee, and the Gengar Mimikyu. And then there's Pikachu Zekrom on the back. Obviously on the front. I'm going to open it up and look at all of them. Look at the glorious packs. All 36 packs. We're going to open half of them. I always start with this side. So I'm going to start with that side again. There we go. That's what we will be opening today. This will be in the next video that I record. I'll put that over there. It will change to basically our card opening thing. So there we go. And because you guys are looking good and I'm enjoying it, here you go. A couple of free code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go, guys. Lucky whoever gets them first. Well done. But anyway, guys, let's get straight into these packs. If you didn't check out the last video, we pulled some pretty good cards. So go back, check that out. Let's get into it. Starting with Eevee and Snorlax. I'm going to move these back a little bit more. Open it up. And then, as per normal, we're going to start with the Leonhart, Patronite. Yes, the energy game. Open up the pack here. And we're going to go with what is normally starting with Psychic Energy. Put that up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, is it? Yes, Psychic Energy. Awesome. Alright, what do we get? Electro Charger, Charmeleon, Water Memory, Pancham, Ferroseed, Johto, Charmander, Staryu, Reverse is Squirtle before the buffet, and the rare is Nidoking non-holographic. Alright, just going to maneuver some stuff here, guys, just to get a little bit more organized. There we go. Next pack, get straight into it. So for those of you who wondering, what's the main thing on this channel? The main thing I do is manga and live reactions. Also, guys, check out my Instagram, Freno1. I will, whenever I just pick up a couple of little packs, like 5 packs or something like that, I will make little Instagram videos of me opening them up just by my iPad. There's the code card for you guys. And we're going to go Water Energy. Fighting Energy. Damn, I should have gone with my gut. Persian Metal Goggles. Golduck. Mareep the Sheep. Charmander. Honedge. Pidgeotto. Nidoran Male. The reverse is Kabuto. And the rare Latios and Latias GX. Yes, there we go. Second pack magic, guys. Second pack magic. We got a Latias GX card. Not a bad way to say. I've got the sleeve here, guys. Straight in the sleeve. I think it's like the second or third time I've pulled this card. I've pulled this card quite a few times. There we go. There we go, guys. I've pulled the card quite a few times, so I'm actually quite happy with that. I'm just gonna make sure my phone's on silent. There we go. My phone's on silent. We don't want anybody making noisy noises that we don't want. Alright, let's keep on going. Can we get some more greatness? So, we pulled a card, like, I think I said this in the last video. I opened, it's actually in the little Instagram video I posted. It'll probably be in like last month that I posted it. By the time this goes up. So, there's the code card. And, yeah, I actually pulled the Pikachu Zekrom not once, but twice in back-to-back packs. And we're going to go Fire Energy, Steel. But yeah, so that was pretty crazy. I never pulled that. I've only got like 2 Hyper Rares. I believe it's, from memory, it's the Pikachu Zekrom and the Gengar Mimikyu. That's the reverse, and the rare is a non-holographic Aerodactyl. But yeah, so I've pulled a couple of decent cards. I'm still looking for that Erica's Hospitality, some more of the Hyper Rares. Just because I think I've only got 2, possibly 3. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to go through. I've got like a little tin at the moment, full of all my super rare cards. We're gonna go Fairy Energy. Fairy it is. Oh yes, 2 out of 4. We're on fire. Ingo and Emmett. So yeah, like I might do it at the end of this video, show you all the pulls that we've gotten so far since I've started opening Team Up. The reverse is Jasmine, and then a non-holographic Pinsir. I've also gotten a couple of binders recently that I just haven't really put the cards in yet. So, but obviously all the super rare cards I'm sleeving in like the big tough stuff, and then anything else. There we go. Anything else is just gone to Water Energy as well. It's just kind of sitting out of Fire Energy. So eventually I'm going to go through Fluffy. I'm going to go through and get everything into the folders and stuff like that, because that's the kind of overall goal. Get it all set, get the master set, Marik the Sheep, reverse is Blitzel, and then Mr. Mime. Alright, so, but yeah, so that's pretty much my plan. At this point, I'm still recording my time at Porsche, because I'm just going to play through it till I feel like finishing it, basically. To either feel like going, yeah, I've played it enough and I've had enough of the game, or no, everyone just stops watching. So there we go. Alright, we're gonna go. I'm feeling fighting. Oh damn, we're on fire today. Nita, Nidorina, Doublade, Tentacool, Ponyta, Alolan Grimer, Cosmog, Litten. The reverse is Dangerous Thrill, and the rare. Yes! Magikarp, Wailord, Hyper Rare. Oh my god, is that a secret rare? Secret rare as well, guys. Oh my god, I don't think I have this one yet. Oh my god, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I can't go super crazy because people are sleeping, but it sucks, but this is amazing. Oh my god, straight in the sleeve you go, Mr. Hyper Rare. Hyper Secret Rare card. Magikarp, Wailord, GX. Oh my god, this just got awesome. This just got awesome. And I'm looking over there because that's where my recording thing is. And I should be looking right here. Alright. Here we go. Next pack. Can we go 2 in a row? 2 in a row. That's what we want. 2 in a row. 2 packs in a row. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Fighting Energy again. Steel Energy. Torracat. Brock's Grit. Pokemon Communication. We want the secret rare for that. Haven't pulled that one yet. Poochyena. Nidoran. Female. Pancham. Voltorb. Carkeys. Shaman. Prism Star. I've pulled this card a few times. And the rare is Pidgeot. So I'll put that one over there. There we go. Got some good pulls today, guys. Like, well, we're not even halfway through the packs, and we've got some decent colors. Secret Rare, Secret Hyper Rare. We've got a GX. We've got a Prism Star. I know Prism Stars aren't exactly worth a lot, but still, man, Secret Rare's a fucking awesome pull. All right, there we go. The codes are the goods. We're gonna go Water Energy. Dark Energy. Hitmon Bruce Lee. Dana. Kabuto. Hashtag Magikarp Army. Pucci Enna. Alolan Geodude. Bronzor. Dratini. The reverse is Persian and the rare is a non-holographic Starmie. Alright. Alright, we're gonna just keep on plowing through, guys. We've got a bit of a rhythm going. We're liking it. So, come on, open up. There we go. Open up nice and neat for me, yes. Let me get the gloriousness inside. Alright. There's your code card, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, Fire Energy. That is what I'm thinking. And it is Water Energy. Evelyn, Nanu, Farfetch'd, Execute, Helioptile, Meowth, Nidoran, Male, Larvitar, Alolan Grimer is the reverse, and Holographic Erika's Hospitality. Close. Not exactly what we wanted, but I'm happy with that. We want the full art of this. This is what we want, the full art. I might put that one over there, just as a rare. We want the full art. Erika's Secret Rare. Erika's Hospitality. That is the card that's worth the most in this set for those of you playing at home. I haven't pulled it. It's like one of the hardest cards to pull. I don't know anyone that actually has pulled it, like personally. I've seen people pull it like online and stuff like that, but unfortunately I haven't pulled it yet. I'm still working on it. I'm gonna go Fire Energy, Dark Energy, Spiritomb, Viridian Forest, Tentacruel, Joltik, Blitzle, Squirtle after the buffet, Tentacool, Grimer. The reverse is Charmander and a Mighty Enna non-holographic. Alright. We're getting there, guys. We're getting through all the packs. That's what we want. We've got a couple of decent ones, so after this I'll do a quick little recap for you guys. And then we'll do like a big, massive recap at the end of the video of what our major pulls. I'm thinking Fairy Energy this time. Lightning Energy, Dragonair, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Bronzor, Karkis, Pidgey, Emolga, hashtag Magikarp Army, Reverse Kakuna, and non-holographic Mandibuzz. Damn. Alright, here we go. Next one. We got a couple more packs to go. So we're gonna keep flying through these if we can open them. And some of these packs are just done up really tight. And others you can just get into super easy. Alright. Come here, I'm making a mess everywhere. There we go. There's your code card, guys. I'm thinking Psychic Energy. Yes, Psychic, Doublade, Flappy, Morgan, Emolga, Staryu, Poochie the Doggy, Alolan Geodude, Paris. The reverse is Grum, and the rare Eevee Snorlax GX full art. I believe this is the full art as well. Oh my god, that is awesome. Number 120 or 181. You know what's coming, man. Sleepy Sleepies. In you go, boys. In you go. Alright, we have pulled some greatness today, guys. Some greatness. We have got, a little recap, Erica's Hospitality, the holographic. Shaman Prison Star, which we've pulled about 3 or 4 times. Then we got the hyper rare, secret rare, Magikarp Wailord GX. The tag team Latios full art. And then the full art Eevee Snorlax GX. So that's what we've pulled today. Because I believe it's 36 packs, so that's 18. And that's 5 solid cards that we have pulled out of what? And we still got about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs to go. We've still got 6 packs to go. And we've got 5 solid cards. So the pull rates are quite good in Team Up. Well, at least in this box, at least. So then again, I could open another half and get absolutely nothing. Oh, come on. Having trouble opening this pack. It just doesn't want to open. There we go. Just didn't want to open, man. Like, I was like, no, don't open me. There we go. There's your code card. And we're going to go Water Energy, Fire, Nidorino, Dangerous Drill, Hitmonchan, Loading Grimer, Ponyta, Cosmog, Voltorb, Squirtle before the buffet, Weedle is the reverse, and Parasect, non-holographic rare. Alright, there we go, next pack. We got about 5 packs to go. Oh, come on, open up. There we go. You'd think I'd be able to open these packs up pretty comfortably, but nope. Just don't want anything to do with it. There we go, there's your code card. And I am thinking Fighting Energy. Fire again. Hitmonchan, Jasmine, Dragonair, Meowth, Eluden, Geodude, Grimer, Pidgey, Bronzor. The reverse is Mimikyu, and the rare is a holographic Articuno. Not a bad card. Definitely one of my more favorite actually, legendary bird, Articuno. I like Articuno quite a fair bit. There we go. And next pack, we got 3 more packs after this one to go. Maybe can we get another GX? That would be pretty crazy if we could. So there we go. There's the code card. I'm thinking water. Fairy, and it's upside down. There we go. Sabrina's Suggestion. Torracat. Jinx Andrews. Paris. Vullaby. Pidgey. Honedge. Nidoran. Female. The reverse is Fairy Charm UB and a Beedrill non-holographic. So, we got some pretty solid pulls in this video, guys. Like, I would love to just like really just go off, but we got people here, there's people sleeping, and you know, don't want to wake people up, and you know, it's gotta be nice, you know, you gotta be nice to the people, you know, you gotta be nice. And unfortunately, my room is not soundproof, so I can't be super noisy. There we go. Didn't guess the energy, doesn't matter. I wasn't gonna say lightning, I was gonna say grass. Kanga Scan, Cosmoem, Vullaby again, Weedle, Heliopter, Eggs, Pharaoh, reverse is Weedle, and Gallivantura. I'm probably saying that name wrong, so sorry about that, guys. For those of you who are a bit more into like the names and everything, sorry, I know I butcher that one every single time I get it. Like Galvantula. So, alright. Man, I'm gonna have to empty my bin up for this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say Water Energy, Leaf Energy, Omanite, Kangaskhan, Heliolisk, Litten the Kitten, Zora, Weedle, Joltik, Little. The reverse is Articuno and a Latios, Latias GX tag team. We've just pulled the other GX. Oh man, this is a damn good pack opening, guys. Got the sleeve, straight in it goes. Oh yeah. Dude, like, we have pulled some craziness. Alright. So we've got one more pack to go for this video. I'm going to quickly show you. Actually, you know what? We'll save that for the little recap. Let's go. Last pack. In the last video, we pulled something pretty great. The very last card was pretty awesome. So, can we match it? Let's find out. Last pack magic. Will we get something good? There's the code. We need Forky. No one a Forky. Okay. Doesn't want to focus for some reason. Let's go. Psychic energy for the last. It is water. Grass memory. Kakuna. Rapidash. Cosmog. Hashtag Magikarp Army. Zora. Larvitar. Psyduck. The reverse is Hitmonchan. And the rare, non-holographic Primate. But that's the pack opening, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Quickly, just going through once again. This is the one we got: holographic Articuno, Prism Star Shaman, holographic Erica's Hospitality, the hyper rare secret rare Magikarp Wailord, Latias GX, the Eevee Snorlax GX, and then the other Latias and Latias GX. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. It will be greatly appreciated. And as always, guys, I'm Freno1. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you guys next time with another pack opening, where we will be opening the other half of this booster box. Catch you guys then. Peace.